is the coolest workshop that I've ever been to.
Golden. It's a golden event.
I could feel the vibes when I walked in.
I am so excited to be here.
I feel like this could be so beneficial for just building a culture and just helping people communicate better. Just like you said, to create that synergy where everybody feels welcome, accepted, and valued.
The event itself will be fun, it'll be engaging.
And you're teaching people through doing, which is how people are learning. People learn through using their senses.
I started meeting new people, I was talking to them, and I was gaining unique insights.
But I think the results will be ultimately, your team trusts each other, they appreciate each other's offers, they know what they can do for each other, and when those offers are given to each other, they're willing to build each other up.
I actually was going to go home and pitch this to my mentor and try to get them to come out here and do a Utah retreat. That was what was going through my mind, honestly.
Bringing you in is great because you're actually giving people the opportunity to use their voice and feeling confident in that, and then be able to go and apply that. It's like a confidence thing. You're giving people confidence.
But seriously though.